We are doing exercises of lesson 2 microorganisms. Today we will see the question answer of lesson 2. So coming to question number 1. One is, how are viruses different from other microorganisms? The answer is, viruses are different from other living organisms as number 1. Viruses are on the borderline of living and non-living things. They are non-living when they do not find a host, and they become living after finding a host cell, while on the other hand, other microorganisms are generally living. Viruses generally need a body of a other organism which is known as host. So if they find a host, they are living, but if they do not find a host, they are non-living. Now second point is, virus use the machinery of the host cell, while other microorganisms use their own machinery. Means the other microorganisms use their own body for living, but viruses use the body of the host cell to live and multiply. Number third point, viruses multiply very rapidly while the other microorganisms do not multiply rapidly as virus. Now the question number 2 is, list the different uses of microorganisms. So the answer is, microorganisms are very useful to us. They help us in following ways. You have to write in points. So number 1 point is, microorganisms help us in food sector. They are used for curdling of milk, preparation of bread, cake, etc. Second point is, microorganisms are used to produce alcohol at large scale. Third point, they are also used to produce wine. Fourth point, yeast is used in bakeries. Fifth point, they are also used as preservatives for food items. They are used to make different medicines, especially the antibiotics. Seventh one, microorganisms are used to prepare vaccines for various diseases. Eighth one, they are useful for agriculture sector as they enhance the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. Number 9th is, they work as natural cleaners as they decompose the dead bodies of plants and animals. And the last 10th point is, microorganisms prepare manures by decomposing dead bodies of plants and animals. So we have listed 10 uses of microorganisms here. There are many more also. So now coming to question number 3. Describe the role of microorganisms in. Number A is cleaning of the environment. The answer is, the microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances. These substances are again used by other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby cleans up the environment. Number B is sewage treatment. Microbes are used to degrade organic matter while producing water and byproducts consistent with the type of bacteria grown. Aerobic bacteria consume the organic material in the sewage and produce carbon dioxide and water. To feed the microbes, oxygen is provided by bubbling air into the sewage. So microorganisms are also important for the sewage treatment. So now question number 4. Write a short note on number A, antibiotics. So the answer is, an antibiotic is also known as antibacterial, is a chemical compound that kills bacteria or slows their growth. An antibiotic is a compound that either kills the bacteria or slows the growth of the bacteria. They are used as medicine to treat and cure diseases caused by bacteria. An antibiotic is a medicine used in bacterial infections. The first antibiotic discovered was penicillin, a natural antibiotic produced by a fungus. Now the fourth question, B part, is vaccines. The answer is, a vaccine is an inactivated form of bacteria or virus that is injected into the body to simulate an actual infection. Because the injected microorganisms are dead, they don't cause a person to become sick. Instead, vaccine stimulate an immune response by the body that will fight off that type of illness. So vaccine contains inactivated bacteria or virus. Then vaccine is injected in the body and then infection is caused. Because the injected microorganisms are dead, they don't cause a problem to become sick. And instead, vaccines stimulate the immune system of the body and that will fight with the infection if it happens again by that bacteria or virus. Now again coming to question number 5. Write a short paragraph on the role of microorganisms as sources of food. Answer is microorganisms are essential for the production of foods such as cheese, yogurt, bread, beer, wine and other fermented foods. Fermentation is one of the methods to preserve food and alter its quality. Yeast, especially Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The name of the yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used to leaven bread, brew beer and make wine. So the microorganisms are very helpful in the production of foods such as bread, cheese, wine, beer, etc. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.